How to put Instagram aesthetic blurry filter on photo from camera roll. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Instagram application on your device and go to your story. You will see the option for filter here. If you do not see filters on your screen after opening the story, then tap on the screen once or twice and the filter will appear. Swipe until the very end of the filters here until you see the Browse Effects option. Tap on that and now here you will see various filters. Since we want a blurry black and white filter, tap on the search bar you see there and search for blurry. You will be led to varieties of options. Select the filter which is black and white in color and now tap on that. I will select this here. You will see the save icon now. Tap on that and with this the blurry black and white filter is saved on your Instagram. In order to use this filter, select any picture you want to add in this filter and now tap on the effects icon on the top right of your screen. You will see the filter which is saved. Tap on that and with this you can see the filter is successfully applied on the picture from camera roll. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.